Hello art friends and welcome back to Kristine Art Channel. I just finished our 12 days of Christmas painting challenge and all 12 days of paintings are here in this sketchbook. As many of you know, we embarked on a magical journey through the 12 days of Christmas painting challenge. It was a journey filled with creativity, intention and the joy of painting, from the evergreen to the Christmas wreath. For each day I wrote my intentions, wishes and goals for the next year. I also kept few paper pieces with watercolor pigments and mixes, some dried specimens to make this sketchbook more interesting to flip through. You can decorate as you like. You can remove each day painting and frame it or gift it. Now the moment you all have been waiting for. I'm thrilled to announce that I compiled all the information, guidances, inspirations, intentions in one free full ebook, 12 Days of Christmas Painting Challenge. This ebook is your guide to reliving the magic of the challenge at your own pace. Whether you've been with us from the start or are just discovering it now, it's a beautiful collection of artwork, intention setting, and the incredible sense of community that we've built together. Getting your hands on this ebook is super easy. Just head over to my website, link is in the description of this video, and sign up. Once you've subscribed, you'll receive an email with free ebook. This ebook isn't just a compilation of paintings. It's a reflection of creativity and intentions that are placed into each brushstroke. It's a source of inspiration, a reminder of the power of art to transform, and a celebration of our wonderful community. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has been a part of this incredible community. Your support, creativity, and enthusiasm inspire me every day, and I can't wait to see where our artistic journey takes us next. Thank you for being here, for painting with intention and sharing your stories, your paintings. It was truly amazing and super duper inspirational and the perfect timing just before the festive season. Let's continue to embrace the joy of painting, creativity, and create art that speaks to our soul. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and enjoy the process of painting. Thank you!